Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, there is a quick update here from Infosys that Infosys is still sending interview mails. So many of the comments I saw on the YouTube videos that sir I got selected for the interview round on 3rd of January 2022, but still I did not get any mail regarding the interview schedule. And I was commenting always, and I was telling everyone that please wait, things will take time because they might have to do in terms of batches, or they might have to do with the year wise, or there will be some requirements from the Infosys. Based on that they do. So friends, you can see one of our student, he has messaged on Wednesday. So Wednesday was nothing but 12th of January 2022. So he messaged, sir I got selected for interview round on 3rd of January 2022, but still I did not get any mail regarding the interview schedule. So he got the interview mail on 14th of January 2022. That means just today 17, so 3 days before. Okay, and he has also shared his interview experiences, which will also help all of you. So sir, today my interview was conducted, but in the interview he did not ask me college ID card or PAN proof, so this is not required. So no need to worry about that. And his interview was conducted yesterday. That means nothing but 16th of January 2022. So he just asked me a question like, tell me about yourself as a mechanical engineer, why you want to come to IT industry, to join in IT industry, what you have done, what courses you have done, on which programming language I should ask you questions, difference between C and C++, what is dangling pointer, different type of arrays, what is meant by malloc and calloc. Okay, so again we have one more slide. But friends, before that, I again wanted to tell you, so if you have got a selected mail from Infosys on 3rd of January, and if you have still not got the interview mail, then I will request you to please wait. Okay, and if you have already done with your interview and if you have not got mail for the interview, then please wait. Okay, see, company has a lot of things to do, company has a lot of candidates to recruit, so definitely you need to wait. And this is a quick update which I wanted to give you. Okay, so you can see here, so 12th of January he was also like, kind of, he was not getting the interview mail, and he was quite maybe frustrated, or maybe like thinking that sir, I will get this interview email or not. But that is the reason he has sent on 12th of January that I am selected, I got selected mail on 3rd of January, but till now there is no information regarding the interview. But on 14th of, like, later 2 days after, he got the interview mail. Now, so while continuing to the questions from the interview, so even though he's from mechanical background, he has got many questions from the programming. So difference between C and C++, what is dangling pointer, different type of arrays, what is meant by malloc and calloc. Okay, what is meant by dynamic memory allocation, what is meant by SDLC. SDLC is very, very important. Friends, also on our Instagram channel, we are doing lot of interview videos like what do you mean by SDLC, and what are the phases in SDLC. So what is the difference between C and C++? So these are the kind of questions which we are doing in form of shorts, like less than 60 seconds. And in that less than 60 seconds, at least you will get to know that how we have to answer, and what will be the correct answer. Okay, what are the pointers? At last he said, very good, you prepared C very well, so very good. And do you have any question for me? I asked what career should I learn before joining Infosys. He said better go for Java. Okay, so now 16th he has given the interview, so he should be able to get the result within a week, like say 23rd of January 2022. So generally it takes a week time or 10 days time. So they release the result, and after that offer letter and all will be sent to you. So friends, do not worry, things might take time. A company has a lot of things to do, a lot of candidates they have to hire. So just keep some patience, and also start preparing for other exams. See, there are many exams are there. It's not only Infosys, is not only one exam. We have Capgemini, we have TCS. See, nowadays the exams are not happening based on the talent. Okay, so if we have luck, then you will be able to crack. Okay, so if you are lucky, then without interview also you will get the offer letter, right? So many of the companies are doing that. So now there is no way on, at least in virtual things, the recruitment are not happening based on the talent. The recruitments are happening based on the luck. So if you are lucky enough, then definitely you will get selected. If you are not lucky enough, then you need to keep trying for the other companies. So tell me if I am wrong, that the this year, at least, 2021 and 2022 is starting. So most of the hirings are happening based on the luck instead of talent. Okay. So most of the telegrams groups are open. So you can definitely cheat, right? So mass cheating is happening. So there are all those things are happening. So I will not comment anything about that, but still keep trying, keep learning. So definitely there are a lot of exams are there which happens based on the talent, like TCS Digital, Infosys DSCSC, okay, or Mang companies. So you have the opportunities. So this is the latest update from the Infosys. So you will be definitely getting the interview email if we have got the selection mail. Thank you, friends, and do subscribe the channel, because all these small updates also I'll be giving it to you, so that you will not be worried, and you will get all the information on time. Those who have not got any interview mail still, please wait, or you can send a mail to Infosys on talent acquisition at infosys.com. Okay. Thank you, friends.